Feathered chain stitch is made up of long-tailed chain stitch worked in a zigzag manner. To do this stitch, you need to know how to do the chain stitch. If you want to refresh about chain stitch, watch this video. If you want a neat zigzag line, some people find it useful to mark the fabric with two parallel guidelines. Start working this stitch as you would do it for chain stitch, but place the loop at the right angle. On the same diagonal line, tie the chain down with a long straight stitch. It is called a long-tailed chain. Work another long-tailed chain stitch. Continue in this zigzag motion. Work each long-tailed chain stitch on a diagonal slant. I hope you enjoyed my video tutorial. Please give it a like and share it with your friends. I did this stitch for the first time. Maybe it's not perfect, but that is how it is referred to in books. I think of it as a zigzag chain stitch with long tails. I have an idea of how to use those long-tailed chain stitches in a floral embroidery designs. You can arrange long-tailed chain stitch in all sorts of ways. Circles are a common pattern as they can look like flower petals. There are also possible varieties that weave the spokes created by long-tailed chain when arranged in a circle, like we usually do for woven rows. And here we go! It was the last stitch for this sampler page. In my next video I will be stitching those two new samples, so subscribe to my channel and you will learn 10 different ways how to stitch letters. I have many samplers like that available on my Patreon. You can also find some PDFs with such samplers on my Etsy shop. All the links in the video description below. So thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!